Hi everyone, I'm Rakhi and welcome back to the another question of chapter number 2, structure of atom. In this video, I'll be discussing question number 2.3 and it's page number 65. Let's have a look on the question. Question is, how many neutrons and protons are there in the following nuclei? So these are the following nuclei given to us: carbon 13, oxygen 16, magnesium 24, iron 56 and strontium 88. So we need to know how many neutrons and protons are there in these of the nuclei. Right, so these are the nuclei and now I'll draw the table. Please have a look over here. Z means atomic number. Okay, and A over here means atomic mass number. Okay. So what is the atomic number? Atomic number of carbon 6, carbon 13, carbon C6 13 is 6. तो इसका ऑक्सीजन 16 का एटॉमिक नंबर इज 8, मैग्नीशियम 24 का एटॉमिक नंबर है 12, आयरन 56 का एटॉमिक नंबर है 26 और स्ट्रोंशियम 88 का एटॉमिक नंबर है 38. कमिंग ऑन टू द एटॉमिक मास नंबर, कार्बन का एटॉमिक मास नंबर यहाँ जो दिया हुआ है इट इज 13, ऑक्सीजन का एटॉमिक मास नंबर दिया हुआ है 16, मैग्नीशियम का एटॉमिक मास नंबर दिया हुआ है 24, आयरन का एटॉमिक मास नंबर दिया हुआ है 56 एंड स्ट्रोंशियम का एटॉमिक मास नंबर दिया हुआ है 88. प्रोटॉन्स को हमें पहले हम निकालते हैं नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स. प्रोटॉन्स आर इक्वल टू द एटॉमिक नंबर. प्रोटॉन्स किसके इक्वलेंट है? एटॉमिक नंबर के. मैंने प्रोटॉन्स के ब्रैकेट में Z लिखा है एंड Z डिनोट्स एटॉमिक नंबर. सो प्रोटॉन्स, proton for carbon 13 will be 6, for oxygen will be 8, for magnesium will be 12, for iron it will be 26 and for strontium it will be 38. ठीक है, these are the number of protons. Now coming on to the number of neutrons. एक चीज बता दो, न्यूट्रॉन्स में एटॉमिक नंबर माइनस एटॉमिक मास नंबर is equals to number of neutrons. So A is the atomic mass number and Z is the atomic number. So A minus Z. Now 13 minus 6 is equals to 7. So number of neutrons in oxygen, in carbon 13, number of neutrons in carbon 13 is 7. Now coming to the second one, number of neutrons in oxygen 16 will be 16 minus 8, it is 8. Okay. Number of neutrons in magnesium 24 will be 24, which is atomic mass number, minus atomic number. 24 minus 12 is equals to 12. Now coming to the iron case, and neutrons in case of iron is A minus Z, that is 56 minus 26, it is 30. So number of neutrons in case of iron 56 is 30. And number of neutrons in case of strontium 88 will be A minus Z, that means atomic mass number minus atomic number. 88 minus 38 is equals to 15. Number of neutrons in case of strontium 88 is 15. I hope the concept of calculating the neutrons and protons is very much clear to you by seeing this solution, but still anybody is having any doubt regarding this solution, I am here to solve your all the doubts. Do let me know your doubts in the space given below. Where this brings me to the end of the session, and it's me Rakhi saying you all goodbye.